Hello, I'm Captain Vile. Welcome back to Detroit Become Human. Alice is neutral. I'm pretty sure we saw this scene last time. When I said I was gonna, like, change. What? Oh, those are my goals. Get off me. Alice is neutral towards me. I'm not neutral towards her. Idiot. No help. Like, at all. You leech. I would be an amazing father. Alright, I gotta... I'm a fugitive now. Oh, Jesus Christ. For a second. I had to cut my hair, change my clothes. Alice doesn't, though, because... Oh, a crowbar. Sweet. Grab the crowbar! Grab the... Jesus Christ. You got, like, a hidden compartment. Does your chest or, like, stomach open up? Have, like, a... What's that thing Bender has? Futurama? He's got, like, a cabinet in him. Police are patrolling the area. They tend to do that. That was a strange face expression. That was a face expression, like, they told the... Ooh, scissors. I love scissors. There's so many different types of scissors, you never think about it. I had to look up for the, Ooh, I've done this. For what's it? The How Riddler is Riddler, the Batman 2022 video. I specifically looked up the type of scissors the Riddler used to cut the guy's thumb off, because I wanted it to be accurate. They're poultry shears. Accessorize. Blonde, white, black, finish. Can I, like, go back? Like, I don't like how that looks, because white hair seems interesting for a robot. Silver. That's blonde? That is not blonde. I had blonde hair when I grew up, and it got darker as I got older. That is not blonde hair. We're gonna go with silver, because it looks cool. Oh, remove the little doodad. Now how's the audience gonna know what emotion they're feeling? What if we... No, we should put that in our pocket. And then... So, you know how Leo pointed us, like, you see the android did it. We duct tape that to someone's head. And go, they're the android, they did it. It looks like blue hair. Oh, wherever might I find that? Is that a bone? I think there's a bone in the car. Excuse me. Hang on, can I change the camera angle? That looks like a bone, doesn't it? This thing here? I'm pretty sure that's like stickers that have been warped by the sun and rain. But it looks like a cartoon chicken bone with some of the stuff still on it. I don't know, maybe Alice wants a snack or some crap. Oh, that's convenient. There's newspaper clippings in there. Newspaper clippings in there. There's a conspiracy car. Crikey. Ow. That's how my sibling looks. Different colored hair, though. Hello, Alice. Get up. Do I still have the pair of scissors? They look like hairdressing scissors, salon scissors, specifically. Yeah, get up. I want to jab you with the scissors.
Wake up, Alice.
Actually, Alice, keep your eyes closed. You don't want to see the frames. I'm gonna keep pointing that out, by the way.
Wasn't a nightmare.
What? No.
No.
No, you're stuck with me.
No, it wasn't a nightmare. How do you feel? I'm cold.
Couldn't I have scanned that?
What are we gonna do now?
I don't know. We could become
That android
vigilantes.
I saw yesterday? He gave me an address. He said we could get help there.
We could hunt people down with the
The train
scissors,
passes just on the
kill
other side
them,
of the
and
road.
steal stuff.
The station can't be far.
That'd be our
You feel
gimmick.
okay to walk a little?
We'd like leave the scissors
Let's go then.
artfully placed in the victim, and the police will be like, "This is the scissor killer" or some crap. And then a reporter would be like, as soon as we're caught, the reporter's gonna be just
You're pretty
waiting
like that.
to upload the headline, "Scissor killer cut
You
down."
look like a human now.
What? I look like a human either way, Alice. Which, by the way, why is that? Why not just have them so that stuff like this doesn't happen? They blend into society. Why not make them like box
Police
shaped?
are on our trail.
Alright. That's all for now. Free to go.
Or make them not have weird skin. That seems to like it turns white, completely
Okay, well,
white
let me know
at
if they
times.
turn
Why not just have
anything
a
up.
completely white skin?
What are you gonna do with that?
What? Oh, Connor.
I have no idea.
Also, it's cool. The stories are going together. Oh, that was a good change. That's a neat transition.
It took the first bus that came along and stayed at the end of the line.
I'm gonna be really
This decision
competent
wasn't
at this
planned. It was driven
and
by
suck
fear.
at the
Androids
Alice
don't feel
story,
fear.
so that Connor gets caught,
They get
or so
overwhelmed
that
by
Connor
their
catches
emotions
her,
and make irrational decisions.
and then we bump up our points with Clancy
Well, that still
Brown.
doesn't tell us where it went.
And then he'll give me his autograph.
It didn't have a plan, and it had nowhere to go.
He's gonna sign my
Maybe it didn't go
DVD box set of Justice League Unlimited
Maybe.
and the first few seasons of SpongeBob, because they're the only good ones. I've never watched Justice League Unlimited, but I've heard it's really good. It's on Netflix. I should watch that. I'll be able to use more clips to use as transitions. Danger level. Let's get past the police. Frets? Alright. This isn't suspicious. Danger level. So many police. Uh-oh. Alright, where's my... Why don't I just go this way? Oh, I can! I can jaywalk. I love jaywalking. I already told you guys the story about when I worked on the square in Kinney and how I just kept running past people. Like, people... I became somewhat known for doing that. Oh, crap. I heard people muttering as I ran by them. Some kid was like, "Oh, that guy's fast." That's it. But I'm sure they did talk. I don't care, I'm jaywalking. When do I get to be Connor? What, this is my... Ooh, an umbrella. I'm just gonna actively commit a crime.
Shit, that's them!
Oh god! Run away!
Quick, call it in!
You can take them, I'm made of metal!
We saw them headed for the train station.
We saw them headed. Got a stutter? No, reality is stuttering, actually. Chase them, what's the run button? This is the only thing standing between me and Clancy Brown's autograph. Out of my way, citizen. Damn it. That guy was made of stone!
They're over there!
You! Stop! What button do I hit to run faster? Tap X. Get over here! Put your arm through the chain link, grab him! Shoot them in the leg so there's a trail. That was a weird thing to focus on. I'm not gonna say, oh, it was weird to focus on for that long, because I know it's lagging. But why specifically Alice's eyes looking around?
That's insane. Hey!
Wait. Uh-oh. Oh! What? I want to see if I can do it at like the last second. Ow. Oh, I hit the wrong button. Yeah, that'll change everything. The police are gonna catch us now.
I can't let them get away.
They won't. They'll never make it to the other side.
I can't take that chance.
Hey, you will get yourself killed. Do not go after him, Connor. That's an order.
Fine.
Connor, God damn
Wait,
it.
what? I hit the... No, wait, hang on. Was B go or A go? Okay, whatever. I'm gonna get you. I'm, as the kids say, locking in. Wait, no. Nuh-uh. Nope. Nuh-uh. You! I got you! Oh, wait, no, that was her. It didn't tell me that. Crap. Damn it. Now how am I gonna get Clancy Brown's autograph? And his reputation of us went down, too! And something about my software instability. I got hit by a car like 3 times.
Are you okay?
There's no blue blood to follow? Damn it. Yeah, no, there... Oh, there was an option. I could've. Damn. Kara loses Connor. Connor avoids collision. Connor could have died. I refuse to let Connor die. Connor dies, I'm ending the playthrough. Connor's like the only one I like.
Detective android. Although police assistant androids have existed for several years now, this will be the first case of an android being authorized to play an active role in...
Hey, is that the trash guy? That guy in the blue. Didn't he tell us? About, Kara and Alice. He told us about the thing across town.
We are now approaching Ferndale Station.
What is that? What is on the pillar? Oh, it's an ad. Why not?
Customers are reminded that all androids must run in the designated area.
What was that? Oh god. Robot PTSD. That's not suspicious. Look for graffiti. Well, it's very... Oh, that's a mural. Never mind.
I'm good. How about you?
This is some trash. No, it's a magazine. Detroit Today. Is that her? Android on the run. I don't care. Next graffiti? Looking for a guy with like an arrow on his chest. It doesn't help that I turned the graphics down so the text would kind of suck. Oh, this one! Very apparent. Yep. That. Clue. Find that graffiti. Just follow the weird... What is that, a hashtag? It looked like baseball, right? Hang on. No, I don't know what that is. What is that? Is that lion? It's orange. No, those are bricks. Android only. Do I go that way? I can't go that. I gotta go the Android route. Game's making me. What's over his earlobes? Blend in with the humans. Hey, lady, you didn't see anything. It's not letting me... Oh, it's the down one. Do-do-do-do. Like, if you see a... Look at that. Look at the outline of his earlobes. It's like an elf. He's got pointed earlobes. That's apparently a thing you can get in real life. Oh, there it is. Oh,
sorry.
I'm sorry.
Excuse me.
You know how people... I'm gonna go in a little bit of a story here. So people can get earlobes, their ears, like you just said, like an elf. And people can get two. It didn't say anything about two. Their tongues forked like a snake. I have a forked tongue. And it's not because I went out to do some cool hip thing where, oh, now my tongue's thing. No, I lost part of my tongue in a skateboarding accident. I think I've told this story before. Where am I going? I'm looking for some rainbow wall. Oh, there we go. I lost part of my tongue in a skateboard accident because I was like lying down on the skateboard and my tongue got caught in the wheel. And now I'm missing my tongue, missing part, like the front bit of my tongue. So I have a forked tongue. It's not like a V. I'd say it's like a soft M. But it, yeah. And a tedious thing is that it gets caught on my teeth. If I move my tongue just the right way, it gets caught in my teeth. And it hurts a lot. These are not very hard to find. Free? Jesus. Here's one. There's another one. Uh-huh. Oh, okay. It gets caught. It's irritating. Get out of here, you. And it's a problem that is probably one of the only problems that could be unique to me. Unless other people have forked tongues who do that. So if you have a forked tongue, is that something you deal with? Or is my tongue more forked than yours, which was artificially forked? Because you can't beat naturalness. Free, goddammit. Where else? Find a way onto the roof. I don't know, there's a ladder? There's a bunch of barrels. I could build a staircase. Oh! I'll just move the bin, that makes sense. I could probably move barrels onto it. Parkour. Oh, there's one. Boo-ba-da-boo-boo, and, oh, that's the only one that's actually hidden. Good job, game. Oh, what now? More of them? Come on, running start. We can do it. No, that's gonna fall. Flip. Swing and roll because it looks cool. All right. Oh, I was expecting quick time events. Hey, fine by me. All right, where's this damn graffiti? Whoop. Is that it? Yeah, that's it.
I'll just have to follow the trail of chaos and destruction.
I'm being ready just in case it pulls out some damn QTE. So I expect it to do that. I think that I would be decent at parkour. Not great, just decent. I can climb trees pretty well. It's climbing down from trees that's the hard part. Hello, dead person. Lucky for you, I don't need to steal any of your organs. Like I did to the other guys. Is it gonna be a perspective thing? Or gotta line pillars up? No, it's not. Oh, wait a minute. No, it is. Neato. I wonder where it is. Oh, Marcus, if the Roomba you are currently standing on could move in the way I want it to, that would be amazing. This game and its damn tank controls.
I don't care. I'm a landlord.
Oh, now you do it. Jesus Christ. Over here. Get out of my way. Oh no, you gotta hold it. Alright, here's the Breath of the Wild moment where you see all the ruins of the city you'll get to explore later. Is that a boat? Reach the boat. I got a commute, or can I just walk out here? Alright. Seems we're going to have to be doing more parkour. It seems I'm going to have to be doing more editing on these damn videos. These are probably going to be longer videos, honestly. Because there's, like, I can't cut out these moments. So this is probably just going to be like a 30-ish minute video. Maybe 26 minutes. Maybe it's gonna be 40 minutes for how goddamn slow Marcus is moving. And how tedious it is to move the Roomba he's standing on to get away or get around. Yep, that's smart. Not gonna happen to the bridge. Grab the chain and swing. Or just kill yourself. Okay. There's an underwater section in this game? No one told me that. Are there android sharks? That would be awesome. Left trigger, not right trigger. Find a way to see what the game is trying to tell you. Torch? Yep. Use your android powers, make it work. Yeah. Man, I thought I ended the Resident Evil playthrough. Hello. Do. Locked. Alright. Where's the jump scare? Come on. I know it's here. You can't pull the wool over my eyes, David Cage. You're gonna have a cheap jump scare when I open one of these doors. You like cursed cowardly dog. Told ya! Haha! I'm a genius. Well, it's not that I'm a genius, it's that this game is easier to read than a goddamn book. How did you do that? Jesus, lady. Maybe we shouldn't follow this woman if she can trash entire hallways in split seconds. Okay. Sorry, I didn't read the thing, or the arrow going the right way, game. You didn't need to kick me out of the entire sequence. Is this what they use to keep the water out of the ship? I watched an internet historian video on this. That means I pretend to know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna ignore that. I don't think I have a choice of ignoring that. Ow. Will the frame rate rise with me? It will. I'm pretty sure that's just the game loading in stuff. Instead of, oh, hello. Yeah, I wouldn't look like one, but I'm an android, so you do not have to rip my arms off.
Welcome to Jericho.
Oh, really? One way to do it, huh? Is there any option in that at all? Wow. Reading. And yeah. Very cool. Just a straight line. Fall off the catwalk was not even optional. Alright. As much as I'd like to play Connor again, we gotta, you know the rules. As soon as it gives us control, we exit out, because I gotta end the recording and edit this video. Neutral. Reconcile. I intend to do that game. I intend to do that next episode. Anyway, thank you for watching. Goodbye.
I don't understand that cat. Me neither.